Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina and you're about to watch the weekly review of Forex and stock markets. The US stock indices were trading mixed on Friday due to the absence of positive news. The negotiations about fiscal cliff threatening the US economy were at a stalemate. Consumer sector demonstrated weak activity. Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 added 0.1% each at the end of the Friday session. Nasdaq Composite fell marginally, having lost less than 0.1%. At the end of the week, Dow Jones gained 0.1% but lost 0.5% at the end of the month. S&P 500 index edged up 0.5% on week and 0.3% during the month. Nasdaq lifted 1.5% for the week and 1.1% during November. On Friday, Speaker of the United States House of Representatives John Boehner announced that the congressman reached an impasse on negotiations lasted for a week. This happened mainly due to the Republicans who refused to discuss the budget project with the increased ceiling for the public debt. Apart from this, private consumption in the USA dropped unexpectedly by 0.2% in October, while the household income was left unchanged month on month. The analysts were anticipating a 0.2% increase in earnings and 0.1% in spending. The experts blame Sandy's after effects and weak activity in consumer sector for such decrease. More than 210 American corporations declared a special dividend for November, which size will be twice more than the amount of the dividend paid last November. Such decision was made in order to prevent a possible triple increase of the dividend tax rate in the upcoming year. On Friday, Groupon stocks shed 9% after the head of the company, Andrew Mason, said he would not leave his office. At the end of the week, Groupon quotes accelerated 5%. Chicago's company had to face many challenges, such as regulators' financial verifications. The growth of its main activity eased after the corporation took part in the stock trading in November of 2011. Groupon stocks lost about 80% of their value since that moment. Besides, Microsoft papers were 1.24% cheaper on Friday. Investors are actively discussing the launch of a new Surface Pro tablet in January. Microsoft said that the two new versions of the tablet based on Windows 8 Pro will cost $899 and $999 respectively. Computer giant also noted that Surface Pro is tablet and full-fledged personal computer at the same time. Meanwhile, the price for the device is higher than for the similar Apple devices. This was the latest weekly review of Forex and stock markets prepared for you by our InstaForex team. Goodbye.